In this video, we are just going to talk about uh, slippage and records. I usually get asked a lot about slippage and records. What exactly is it? What does it mean? Uh, Especially for people who are trading with automated trading systems, forex robots, and stuff like that. So that's what we are going to talk about in this video. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like the video, I'm hoping that you will learn one or two things. If you do not, at least I've given you some good entertainment. So the least you can do is to just like the video. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. So if you are looking to download forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Many people also ask me about the broker that I use. I believe they are one of the best brokers for people looking to trade with forex robots, trading software, and stuff like that. Their link is in the description box below. For $5, you can actually start testing your forex robots in real market conditions. Okay, so what is slippage? What is a slippage? It's a question that I usually encounter when I talk to people. So in this video, just going to delve into that. So a slippage usually happens when, for example, let's just take that line. For example, we have our market here. Let me see if I can zoom in. Okay. So for example, we have price here. That line there. Let's say price was there and we actually entered a what? A buy or a sell, but instead of the broker actually filling our order there, taking our position there, you find that sometimes the order is only filled around there. Let me just change this new line so that everything is clear. Let's make it magenta. So instead of the broker filling, let's say, our sell order on the line that we had there, you find that sometimes your order is only filled at this magenta line. And you wonder what's going on with this broker. Are they trying to steal my money? Are they manipulating things? Or what's happening? Well, if it's a scam broker or stuff like that, sometimes it might happen that they are intentionally slipping your orders. But it also happens even with legit brokers, because there are various factors that actually result in slippage. For example, major news announcements. Uh, it happens that the market is price is moving so quickly, faster than what? Than the servers that the broker has can actually fill your order. So that's how you actually end up what? With a slippage. So this is what we call slippage. Your intended entry point was actually there, but you ended up what? Being filled here. It's a headache. It's a headache. It happens. That's why I always say, if you're going to be trading with forex software, or even if you're just going to be trading, even manually trading, make sure that that broker doesn't always experience a slippage and stuff like that, because it can set you back a lot of money. You can lose a lot of money by this. And another rule of thumb is usually to try and avoid trading news below 15-minute chart, if possible. If possible at all, what you want to do is to avoid trading news, because usually news time is when people experience a slippage. A slippage basically just your order getting filled at a worse than expected price level. You expected your order to be filled at this point, but the trade was actually activated here. Now you are like some distance away from where you actually wanted, and you can easily lose money like that. So what then results from this is now what's also called recording. It doesn't happen all the time unless in a very bad situation. Let's say maybe you placed your sell order here, but the price had already moved somewhere around here. Usually what happens is you actually get a pop-up from your broker. If your broker is genuine, is you actually get a pop-up asking you whether you are still interested in taking the trade. That's what's called a record. So it usually comes after slippage, when the slippage is so worse that the broker cannot like just go ahead and fill your trade. They usually actually ask you whether you're still interested in taking that trade, or they should just forget about it. That's where the recording happens. So it's these are common things that happen in trading. You do get a slippage from time to time. You do get records. If your broker is always giving you records, then there is a problem with them, because records they rarely happen. But anyway, let me not say never say never. It might happen to you. So, but this actually makes, for example, trading with robots or systems a bad experience, because sometimes the broker sends you a message asking for a record, but you are not at your charts because your robots are actually active and trading for you. And uh, you might have a robot that you actually did not put in a function. What I saw and love about some of the robots that I use is actually there's a function in that robot to ignore certain levels of slippage. If a trade a certain number of pips is a slippage, what basically the robot does is just to ignore that trade, or to cancel it out there and there before you lose a lot of money. So that's the thing about slippage and recording. It's a factor of life when it comes to it's a fact of life, not factor. It's a fact of life when it comes to trading. But so some of the measures that you can actually take to protect yourself is to actually get a legitimate broker, and also to avoid maybe trading news. Maybe close your trades 15 minutes before market volatility, or then start trading at least 15 minutes after major news announcements. And some measures that you can actually take to protect yourself. If it's your trading robot, then you obviously want to try to ensure that that robot has a functionality to deal with slippage. Okay, I hope this video helps somebody. Otherwise, I hope you now understand slippage and recording. It's a fact of life in trading, but it is what it is. Subscribe, like this video. Until next time, bye.